Year 10, hope you are all well. I'm about to do a summary of the performance enhancing drugs topic. I'm just going to stick to the main points and then we'll share the PowerPoint with you so that you can have a look through in your own time. So with performance enhancing drugs, why would athletes take them? So the benefits that are associated with winning, you get a lot of adulation from fans. They adore you because you are a role model. You also get quite a bit of money from sponsorship and endorsement. So for example, if you're winning everything, then it might be that Nike or Adidas want to sponsor you to have you as their role model for their company. People take these performance enhancing drugs despite the very serious risks that come with them. Now, some of these issues are obviously health risks. Their reputation and their career can be ruined too. Be disqualified from the competition from short to medium term, or they could ultimately be banned for life for taking performance enhancing drugs and being caught. Also, they could have their titles taken off them. So if they've already won a medal and it was found that they were taking drugs, that could be taken away. And they will almost certainly lose sponsorship deals that they have. Finally, it's morally wrong. If there's people out there training hard to be able to win competitions, it's wrong for somebody to take drugs in order to try and beat them. Now, we have a number of different performance enhancing drugs that you need to know about. So I'm going to go through each one and tell you what it is and who might use it. There are advantages and disadvantages for each performance enhancing drug, and you'll have to look through that in your own time to be able to fill in your work booklet. So, anabolic steroids, these are a man-made copy of the male hormone, which is testosterone, and it helps to stimulate muscle growth, so it helps you to get bigger muscles. So this would be helpful for powerful performers, so athletics, 100-meter runner, for example. Ben Johnson was famously using them to be able to have bigger muscles, have more power, and to be able to win the Olympic 100-meter race. Let's have a stimulant. Now, this is a substance that acts on the central nervous system and it speeds up parts of the brain and the body. So an example of this is Maradona. If he takes cocaine, cocaine is a stimulant and it speeds up his reactions and how he is performing. Next, we have beta blockers. Now, kind of opposite to a stimulant, this blocks the effect of adrenaline and will reduce your heart rate. So in effect, it calms you down. Now, this is effective if you are a shooter or you do archery, something where you need a steady hand to be able to perform well. Next, we have a diuretic. Now, this will increase the amount of urine that is removed from the body. This is good if you are in a sport where they have weight categories, so it can help you if you're in maybe a weight that's over the category you want to be in. You could lose weight really quickly to get in there. So for this reason, somebody who might use it are boxers, or martial arts. We have narcotic analgesics, and these are basically painkillers. They're used. Now, any athlete can use these, and it's if you've got, I don't know, a cup final coming up or a final of a 100-meter race, and you've got an injury, you have this injected maybe, or take the painkiller, and it covers up any pain that you have from that injury. Next, we have peptide hormones. Now, EPO is an example of this, and it is also produced naturally by the body to help to regulate the production of red blood cells. Now, it can be artificially made and then injected into the body. If you have more red blood cells, you have more capability of carrying more oxygen, and so this is going to help you with more long distance events such as cycling. Now, Lance Armstrong was famously known for using EPO when he was cheating. Next, we have a growth hormone. Now, again, this is naturally produced by the body and it helps to stimulate the growth of muscle, cartilage, and bone. It can be artificially manufactured and injected. So similar to the peptide hormone, it does happen naturally, but you can make it and inject it. Now, this is going to help sports where maybe having bigger muscles is important. So something like powerlifting. Next, we have blood doping. Now, this is where you might have some blood taken out of your body. It's left for a while, and then your body will recover and replenish the blood that is missing from your body. Once that's replenished, you then re-inject that blood that you took out into your body, and it means that you have more red blood cells, more oxygen carrying capability again. So this is good for endurance sports. So again, Lance Armstrong is another example of what he did when he was cheating during cycling. Now, they are the main points for each of the performance enhancing drugs. Have a look through the PowerPoint at the advantages and disadvantages for each one, and you can fill in the worksheet that is in your booklet. If you have any questions, ask your teacher, and we'll be happy to help you with that.